Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have this little recreation moment for you. I am so excited about this look. So I just watched Ariana Grande's new music video, Seven Rings, and I am obsessed with this look. So I had to do a little recreation for you. I love this look. It's giving me like glamorous Sailor Moon vibes. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I did the little pink buns and the pink hair. And I actually DIY'd the little hair accessories. So these and the little bobby pins here. And I actually DIY'd the earrings as well, so I'll kind of like run you through that, so stay tuned for that. And if you guys are new and you haven't subscribed already, then please do. I make hair transformation videos, so recreations and videos with wigs and hair extensions, so if you guys want to see more of that, then subscribe and hit the little bell notification so you get notified when I post. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm just starting off with my hair in the middle part and split my hair into two sections, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up all my hair into the two little buns, which is going to be the base of the hairdo. So I'm going to go ahead and clip this one section out of the way. Okay, so now that that's clipped out of the way, I'm just going to pull this one up into a little bun at the top. And I want it to be really sleek, so I'm going to use a lot of hairspray just to make sure there's like no flyaways and stuff. So I'm just going to twist my hair into a little bun, kind of closer to the front, I feel like is better than towards the back. So I'm just going to twist that into a tight little bun. And then just tie it in place with a little hair elastic. Okay, so there's the first one. I'm going to do the other one to make sure they're even and then kind of smooth them both out. Girl, these buns are looking pretty even on the first try. I'm like pretty proud of myself. So what I'm going to do now is just take some hairspray and sleek down any of the flyaways or any of the bumps. So for the pink hair, this is what I'm going to be using. This is just pink braiding hair that I got on Amazon. So, I mean, you like my hair? Gee, thanks. I just bought it for this video. So I'll link it down below, of course, if you guys want to get the same one. So the bundles already come folded in half, and I just put a hair elastic in the middle of the bundle, and then I'm just going to take this and wrap it around one of my buns, well, like one for each. Oops. And aim for the hair to be in the back. So that's the first one. You can already kind of see where we're going here. And then I'm just going to take the other one and do the same thing on the other side. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of the pink hair to cover up my buns. So what I did is I just took a little smaller piece, kind of like that. I cut it a little shorter, and I wrapped a hair elastic just about maybe 1/3 of the way in. So there's like a shorter part and a longer part. So I'm going to take this and wrap it around my bun as well. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shorter part and cover the top of my bun, and you'll see why in a second, because we're going to take the longer part to wrap around the bun. So I just want the top to be covered and maybe the back as well. So I'm just going to lay the pink hair on top like that and then just pin it down with a little bobby pin. Right there is good. And then we can take the longer end and just wrap it around the bun as well. And now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so now that we have the buns in and the pink hair, it's time to get to the best part, the accessories. So I made these, the little hair jewels and the little crystal bobby pins and these earrings out of this poor clutch. Let me show you. So I got this clutch from Aldo. I ripped off the crystals from it. So these are what the crystals look like. I thought these would be perfect for this project. So basically what I did was take a hot glue gun to everything. So for the bobby pins, it's pretty self-explanatory. I just hot glue gunned the little crystals on. So I'm actually going to take the bobby pin and put it in my hair right now. So she has two little crystal bobby pins on the side, right about here. And these crystal pins are so trendy right now. I'm like, yes, I made some. I didn't have to like go spend so much money on these. Sometimes these are like really expensive. Alright, so that's what it looks like with the pins in. Yay, girl. I like that so much better. It like flattens out some of the poofiness from the hair. And then for the little hair jewels, what I did was I just cut out a little piece of cardboard into this rainbow shape. And then I took the little crystal strings and just carefully glued it onto the little rainbow and just gradually made the crystals longer and longer. And then on the back, I just glued on a little bobby pin to attach it to my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this into one of my buns. That's it. That's it. This is like the key piece to the look, I feel like. Okay, so here's the other one, and I feel like I glued the bobby pin on upside down. Oh well, hopefully it'll be fine. Okay, there's the other one. I am so happy with this look. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then for the earrings, I kind of just did the same thing as the hair accessories. So what I did was I just cut out a little piece of cardboard, just like a little rectangle, and then I glued the 3 strings onto it. And then on the back, I just took an old earring and glued that to the back, and I made myself some earrings. Everything came from this poor clutch, RIP. I wish I didn't take the strings out of the middle. I don't know what I was thinking. I was just kind of, because they're longer, I thought I needed the longer ones, but I feel like otherwise I could have still used it. Like, it goes with my outfit, right? So yeah, this is the final look, you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm honestly so happy with how this look came out. I am so obsessed. Like, I already know that this is going to be one of my Halloween looks this year. Like, at least one of them. I'm like that obsessed with it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, please do. And hit that little bell notification to get notified when I post a new video. And until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!